Just Google or Facebook or YouTube the Port Angeles-Sequim car wash man, motorhome wash man. This is an after picture. I had to put it in the garage, so the picture probably, the tape won't be that good. I mean the video. But I just finished waxing this car here. This is a Porsche 911. And I just finished the inside too. It took, let's see, 7 hours, just about 7 hours. No, 6.5 hours to do this car here. That's a little blurry. Let's see if I can clean it up a little bit. All right. Oh, now there we go. So it needed a wax job really bad. I guess orange is one of those cars that has to be waxed at least twice a year. And you can't really run this car through a car wash. It's so low to the ground. Cleaned out the inner rim very well. Put wax. I got a special wax I use on all of the rubber and the plastic. And so it's been sealed. It's been fully restored. It was oxidizing when I rubbed my finger on it. You can see the black, or on the towel, I should say. And now you can't. The water will repel off of the plastic and the rubber. Even on the front tray, if you want to do the front tray, you see it's got its shine now. It was turning gray. Although the windshield wipers too need to be polished and waxed, you know, at least once a year, or sometimes on cars if you use it to sit outside, twice a year. So when he bought this car, it was very expensive. It's like $250,000. And it looks good now. The inside looks really good too. I'm going to show you that. Oh, one more thing to do. Polished out all of like the headlights and the tail lights also too. There's restoration on those for sure. You see how low it is to the ground? It's so low. You have to, you can't run it through an automated car wash. You'll probably get stuck. Inside there, put some gel coat wax inside the black portion there so it doesn't turn gray, because it was turning gray. And like I said, all you do is just Google or Facebook the Port Angeles-Sequim car wash man. I'll come out to your house. If it's raining, after I finish washing it, I'll finish it up in the garage. For a full detail, it usually takes about 6 or 7 hours. More towards the 7-hour side. But this one took 6.5. And if it's a minivan like this Mercedes minivan over here, then that's definitely 7 hours right there, if not 7.5, because it's so large. So you guys have a great day. We're out here in Sequim, Washington. It doesn't rain much out here, but it is today. Over here by Sunland. You guys have a great day.